Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Kochi. So it is from Kerala. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, there is a job opening for operations executive position. So it is from Boundless. So let us see what are the requirements and qualifications for this job role, such as a stable and reliable high speed internet connection should be there, and you should be proficiency in G Suite, and the candidate should be having the good analytical skills to shift through high volumes of data and information, and excellent communication skills in English in spoken and written, and also Malayalam spoken is required, and the candidate should be done his or her graduation, like undergraduate degree or equivalent is required, and a relevant certificate may be required. So outstanding organizational and interpersonal skills are required for this position. So interested candidates, if you want to know more detailed information like responsibilities and other detailed information, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for data entry specialist position. So it is from Yella Toys. So let us see what are the qualifications for this position. MS Excel knowledge in that, pivots, VLOOKUP and IF functions knowledge is required, and the experience with e-commerce or retail stores, marketplaces preferred, and detail oriented. The candidate should be strong written and verbal communication skills, and also strong analytical and organizational skills, and knowledge and passion for specialty retail is a place for this position. And coming to perks, you are going to get some perks like high energy and fun atmosphere, training and advancement opportunities within the Yellow Ties brand, and community involvement and community service activities, and also hardworking team members. So interested candidates, if you want to know more detailed information about this position and also to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing executives. So it is from Matthew Sons Group. So let us see what are the qualifications mentioned here. Bachelor's degree in marketing or related field is required, and the candidate should be having the excellent understanding of digital marketing concepts, and also experience with the business to customer social media and content generation, and the candidate should be strong in creative and analytical skills. So interested candidates, if you want to know more detailed information or else to apply for this position, so you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for management intern. So it is from Art of Consulting. So for this position, like the training period will be 3 months, and you are going to get the stipend will be between 5 to 10K per month. So it will be based on the experience. So the qualification required will be UCR PG. So interested candidates who has done their graduation or post graduation, so you can apply for this position through the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for search engine optimization executive. So it is from Shopper. So coming to desired candidate profile, the candidate should be having the passion for SEO and internet marketing, and in-depth knowledge of how search engines work and ranking factors, to date with the latest trends and best practices in SEO, and also excellent communication skills are required. So interested candidates, if you want to know more detailed information about this position or else if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for content strategist position. It is from Passivo Communications Private Limited. So let us see what are the requirements for this position. So bachelor's degree in marketing, communications, advertising, journalism or related field is required, and proven content strategy and project management experience, and sound knowledge of content management systems, keyword research tools, social media platforms, SEO and SEM knowledge is required, and the ability to work under pressure and strong content presentation skills, outstanding organizational and time management skills should be there, and excellent analytical skills, exceptional marketing and collaborative skills, and effective communication skills are required for this position. So interested candidates, so if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing specialist position. So it is from Dokemi. So let us see what are the qualifications and responsibilities mentioned here. Firstly, I'll go with qualifications, that the candidate should be expertise in marketing research and handling SMM campaigns end to end, and also the candidate should be having the experience with SEO and SEM. Strong written, verbal and collaboration skills are required. So coming to responsibilities, man your digital marketing campaigns through all areas of the project lifecycle and clearly understand and implement digital marketing campaigns which feed needs of e-learning provider, and you need to generate analytical reporting of performance and working closely with the creative and sales team for campaign optimization. So these are the qualifications and responsibilities for this digital marketing specialist position. So interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.